Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I help you build an impactful online business. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the real reasons why you aren't growing on Pinterest. And I'm going to be sharing my Pinterest growth strategies that helps me leverage unlimited traffic back to my product and services amongst other things. So also make sure that you stick around all the way to the end to grab my free Pinterest SEO strategy guide. So let's have some real talk about why many fail when it comes to using Pinterest for their business. Reason number one is that you don't have a niche. And the number one mistake that you can make on Pinterest is not having a focused niche and leaving people confused on exactly what you offer. If you're not focused on building your brand and having a niche, you will attract the wrong audience, start showing your products and services to people who are not really interested in what you're selling. So if you don't attract the right audience, then you're just another Pinterest user just pinning away. Mistake number two, you don't provide value. So you have to stop focusing on growing your business and start providing more value through your products and services. And there's no easier way to grow your customer base than providing value and then having your customers promote your brand for you. This is a huge opportunity that I always talk about that many people don't do. Reason number three, you don't know how to convert your current followers into actual sales. So you're not creating the proper content that will get you noticed, get clicks and repins that eventually, turn into sales and help you grow and also grow your email list. So stop being all over the place and focus on your brand so you could become an authority in your niche, which helps you stand out from your competitors and helps you turn visitors into actual customers. And mistake number four is you make the mistake of treating Pinterest as a social media platform. This is another huge mistake, and people use it as a social media, not knowing that Pinterest is actually a search engine. So you're not optimizing your Pinterest account or your profile nor your content for SEO. So these are the four common mistakes. If you start applying these Pinterest tips into your pinning strategy, you will start seeing radical results and endless opportunities with Pinterest. And while your competitors are using Pinterest incorrectly, you will be surpassing all of them by using Pinterest the right way, by building a memorable brand, by standing out even in a saturated market, and getting amazing results. So, as I promised in the beginning of the video, if you want to get my Pinterest SEO strategy guide, it's a checklist of 6 places to optimize for SEO. You will find the link right below the video in the description box below. Let me know in the comments below if you're making any of these mistakes, and also let me know what types of Pinterest videos you would like me to make for the future. Thank you guys for watching.